Hey guys, welcome back to Empty Paradise's Cars and Collectibles. So in part one, we opened up a Hot Wheel premium case with a very beautiful set. In this video, we're going to be opening up the second case I got. So let me go ahead and pull it here up out of the big box. And here's the case right here. And already, right off the bat, this is a little disappointing. The shipping box did have some damage, and there was a hole right here in the box. That hole actually did go through into the case right here. So, hopefully none of the cars are damaged. I really hope I got the Chase car for this set. I'm not sure, so we're going to go ahead and open this thing up. If I did get the Chase and it's the damaged car, oh my gosh, I'm going to freak out. But, the chances of getting the Chase are pretty slim, so I don't know if that'll actually happen. But I would really like to have the Chase for this set because it looks absolutely amazing. Let me just go ahead and open these. I don't want to see any of the cars inside. I don't want to know if the Chase is here until I were to like pull it out, for example. But let's see. All right, let me just go ahead and reach in and pull out the first car. Okay, so the first car is the Lancia Stratos, which looks absolutely amazing. Got all the decals there on that. And got some pretty cool looking wheels there too. Let's get to focus. We're going to set that aside, and then we pull out the other one because there is two of each car in each set. And then if the Chase car is in this set, the white Lamborghini Countach will then be replaced with the Chase car. So let's go ahead and pull out the next car, which is the old school yellow Lamborghini Countach, which looks absolutely amazing. Like I said before, this was in red for a previous set with the, this was a Jay Leno set that had it. So we're going to go ahead and take these Lamborghini Countaches, we're going to set them aside. And for the third car, I also got the Alfa Romeo Giulia Sprint GTA, which this car looks pretty good. And something that Hot Wheels did is, I don't know if you can kind of see in front and behind the car, there's like plastic that kind of wraps around. You can kind of see right there in the bottom. So I love when Hot Wheels does this so that the kind of plastic packaging doesn't get hit by the car, like shaking around in transit, because sometimes it'll actually crack the packaging. So with Hot Wheels putting that plastic in there, it actually helps prevent any damages to the packaging. Because it would suck to get a cool set like this, and then all of a sudden, like, the package is cracked, and for a lot of collectors, it's pretty much worthless. So I am really appreciative of Hot Wheels putting in that little bit of extra effort to put a little piece of plastic in there to help kind of prevent damages, especially with Hot Wheels. And, well, the Hot Wheel Premiums, and this one does have, it's not really a crease, but it's like a slight little bend right here. I don't know if that would be from shipping, packing, maybe there's a little dent. That hole does kind of push through a little bit to like the other side, but I don't think anything really penetrated through that. Going to pull out the next car, which is kind of falling out here. It's going to bring out both of them, which is the Alfa Romeo 155 V6 Ti. This car looks absolutely amazing. Got that full race car kind of livery, all those decals and like logos and whatnot all over it. This thing looks so cool. I just love the way it looks. And even like on the top of the wing, it says like Alfa Romeo up there. And there's like a lot of attention to detail in this, like the Brembo, Pirelli, Bilstein. Like, this looks so cool. Wow. Yeah, the Hot Wheels definitely did a great job with this. Put a lot of attention to detail into that car. So props to them. Like, this looks absolutely insane. But now to the final car, which is the Lamborghini Countach. This would be the one that, if the Chase is here, it would be one of these two cars right here. So let me go ahead and pull out the first one. And it's not the Chase car, but this still looks absolutely amazing. And I just noticed that the front wheel is actually a lot smaller than the rear wheel. I haven't looked at like the actual car in real life to see if that's like the case, if it's that big of a difference. But wow, this car looks absolutely amazing. And I'm so glad Lamborghini came out with this. It's like a little throwback to the old school Countach. This was a very limited run, so it's not like a high production car, but so glad Hot Wheels made a variant because being able to like see this car in like a Hot Wheel form is absolutely amazing, and this looks really, really cool. And like even like the taillights look really cool. I don't know if you guys can really see that very well. But yeah, there's a lot of attention to detail put into this. But I'm sorry I'm kind of stalling a little bit. I'm really, really excited. I really hope that this is the chase car, because if it is, I'm going to freak out. But here we go. And it is not the chase car. So we unfortunately did not get the chase car, but this is still an absolutely amazing set. I do want to go ahead and set up all of these, because whenever you put all the cars together, it does make the Italian flag, which looks really cool. And let's see, that one goes over here, and then we have this one. So there we go. That is the complete set right there. They're kind of overlapping, but you guys can kind of see like that red, white, and green, which looks absolutely amazing there. And this set looks so incredible. And like Hot Wheels did an absolutely amazing job with this, and I love when the sets, you can put them together, kind of like the first Fast and the Furious premium set. You put all the cars together, and like the pictures on the back of each card are like the whole cars lined up ready to race. It looks absolutely amazing. But if you guys like this video, definitely go down and hit that like button, subscribe, because you don't want to miss a lot of videos, because I do a lot of case unboxings like this. I do Hot Wheel case openings, and like the Amazon Black Box, I do the regular cases of mainline cars with the 72 cars. And I have this really cool like display type thing, so I did like a full video on that. And so many more. I also have a Hot Wheel 6-lane raceway I'm doing races on. Currently in this new little Hot Wheel studio I have set up, I'm going to have kind of like raised up, have the whole track. I'm going to extend it a bit as well. This is going to be absolutely amazing. You guys do not want to miss out on that. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.